So hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see how we can join a Windows server to an existing domain controller. In this video, we will see what options we have to select and what things we have to do to join an server to an existing domain controller. So this is our domain controller and it is an another server. I installed it recently and just give this server any name that is identified easily. I have given this name as this, SVR2K2202. So we will see how we can join this server to this domain controller. So the very first thing you have to do is we have to set this server's IP to a static IP. Click here and now click on properties and click on IPv4. Here we have to choose the static IP for our this server and give any IP like 92.168.1.11. Give any IP, and in the preferred DNS server, it is an important thing. In the preferred DNS server, you have to give your that domain controller's IP address. So I will give it here 1.10. It is 1.10. So I will give this IP as a DNS server to this server and just wait. I will show you a thing before configuring it. Just see, it is nothing configured here. I will show you a thing. Here, open the PowerShell and try to ping your domain controller from this server. Here, just try to ping 192.168.1.10. See, it is saying destination host unreachable. So our domain controller is not reachable for this server. We will try to use our domain name also, techroxo.com. Okay, sorry here. Okay, so right now our domain controller is not reachable for this server. So we have to make the changes like give an IP. Here give address over domain controller and click on OK, close, and here disable this device at once and re-enable it. After that, again we will check. We will try to ping our domain controller again. So now see, it will give us some data packets. So now it is reachable. We will also try to use our proxo.com. So see here, it is reachable. So now we can join our this server to the domain controller. Now what we have to do is we have to go here on the work group. Just refresh it, and here our IP is changed. Just click on work group, change, and here click on domain. Here type your domain, which is techroxo.com. It is asking for the credentials from which user you want to join this domain, which user has the permission to join the computers to a server. So in our case, I will use the local admin. I will type here admins. Type password, and here a pop-up comes with the welcome to the TechRoxo domain. Now reboot your server once. Restart. Now we will try to log in. Now here we have to use the other user. That user, that is our administrator on that domain controller at the rate techroxo.com. So here we are logging in with the domain controller, domain controller's administrator. Here you can see our domain is techroxo.com. So this server is successfully joined with our domain controller. See, we can also see this in this Active Directory and users computers. See, here is another 02 server is joined to our this domain controller. So in this way, guys, you can join any another server to the our domain controller, and we can configure the member server in this way.